Welcome back to our Iceland series. In the last video, we got to see one of Iceland's most famous black sand beaches, then hiked a glacier and learned how Iceland lives up to the name, the land of fire and ice. This time, we will be making our way up Iceland's rugged east coast and taking in some of the most impressive natural wonders Iceland has to offer.
Good morning.
Morning!
It's Tuesday the 7th?
7th? So this is what, day 3?
Yeah, day 3.
Wow, I can't believe it's been 3 days already.
But honestly, it also feels like it's been 17 days.
Yes.
The days are so long here. I don't even think, like, the sun, it doesn't really get actually dark. I realize that. Like,
It's still, like, light out, or
mm-hmm.
light enough to actually walk around and trick your brain.
Yeah, and so the days feel endless, and you can do so much, so.
Got it. I think it was like 9 o'clock last night. I still thought we had time to do stuff.
Yeah, we were still at a hike at 9 o'clock at night.
Yeah.
And I was like, okay, we should probably go to bed. So, yeah, today we're gonna go try and get some drone shots at a really cool area. We won't say yet. You'll see it hopefully soon.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah, and we're gonna go. I have the itinerary up. We're gonna go to another waterfall. We're gonna go to a lagoon, Glacier Lagoon, and a place called Diamond Beach.
Oh yeah, I forgot we're doing Diamond Beach today.
Yeah, that's today. Yeah, so it'll be a fun day. It's actually one of our slower days. The first 2 days were our busy days, and so now it's starting to slow down.
So hopefully no more 9 p.m. hikes.
Yeah, hopefully now we can start coming back and having a nice slow evening. You know, so
Nice.
it's been fun. We actually slept really well last night.
Surprisingly.
Wasn't freezing to death.
I zipped our sleeping bags together, so it's one big sleeping bag now.
For body heat,
For
which
body
it really
heat.
did work.
It helped.
And I just want to make note, the reason that this van is so cheap is because it's bare minimum, bare bones. There's no insulation, there's no heat provided.
No. The only heat is the car heat.
Which you don't run on night, obviously. No. And it's essentially just a tent on wheels, which we're fine with. We wanted an adventure. Something exciting.
And I think one thing we didn't show for the van tour is I'm 5'8", and my feet are cramped up against the seats at night.
Yeah, so you can't be over a certain height renting this van unless you're okay with being cramped. So
yeah,
it works for us. We're tiny people.
Yeah, it works.
It's okay.
Yeah. Luckily, we can move the seats forward. I haven't figured out how to lean them forward. That's the problem.
Yeah, so, that's all right. But yeah, we're excited.
Making it work.
We're excited.
Yeah.
Day 3, so yeah, I guess here we go.
Woo!
Bye.
Jökulsárlón, also known as Glacier Lagoon, is one of the most breathtaking sights to see along Iceland's southern coast. The lagoon is formed by the melting ice and runoff from the nearby glacier and is full of icebergs that have broken off and started to make their way out to sea. The quietly lapping waves and distant sound of wildlife make it an incredibly tranquil place. Diamond Beach is a short walk from Jökulsárlón, near where the lagoon meets the sea. Diamond Beach gets its name from the chunks of ice that have made their way out of Glacier Lagoon, but end up washing ashore. These glistening icebergs look like gems scattered along the beach. This is why Anthony and I say it's like driving on the surface of the moon, because on both sides it's just pure rock for as far as the eye can see. It's so trippy.
One of the most iconic and imposing mountains in Iceland is the Vesterhorn.
Towering over the nearby black sand beach, the Vesterhorn offers a stunning backdrop for photographers and filmmakers alike. This natural wonder has been used as a filming location for various movies and television scenes, including the Game of Thrones.
At the base of the Vesterhorn lies a Viking village. This village was built as a movie set in 2010 but never used. The incredible craftsmanship and attention to detail makes you feel like you've traveled back in time. The imposing mountains and rugged Icelandic landscape makes it a sight to behold.
Oh, it's going.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Morning!
It's May 8th, day 4?
Is it day 4? I think it's day
Sunday,
4.
Monday, Tuesday. Yeah, day 4.
Day 4.
Yeah, I was freezing cold last night.
I have some really cute pictures of her that we're probably not going to put in the video, but she had gloves and a hat and her coats.
I don't know why it was just me. He wasn't freezing.
I was fine.
But yeah, so I mean, I'd say overall we got good rest. We have a long drive ahead of us today for a little over 4 hours.
Yeah, we have to backtrack a little bit to Hoffen. It's just kind of the neighboring town. It's the only place we're going to be able to find gas and someplace to grab breakfast.
Within the next 2 hours.
Yeah, because the next actual gas station's like 2 hours north. So
yeah, so we're gonna get gas and breakfast and then stop to see things that look nice and just take it easy today, because when we get to the canyon, it's gonna be a pretty decent hike. So yeah, but it'll be a lot of fun.
Yeah, and today it's going to be a lot of driving along the coast and up and down. I think they're called fjords.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Apparently, sorry to interrupt you. Apparently, the East Coast has a lot of reindeer.
Oh boy, she's excited.
So I always see them.
She got to see her Icelandic ponies yesterday.
Yeah, and I did get to see reindeer yesterday, but I want to see more. So, so yeah.
See y'all later.
Bye.
Bye.
There's the back of the van.
Stail Canyon is a glacial river canyon located in the upper part of Jökuldalur Valley in East Iceland. The stunning rock formations are naturally occurring basalt columns, which are caused when lava rich in basalt flows and cools slowly over time.
Hello.
Hello.
We're at the campsite. We just took showers. It's
Eat dinner.
9:30 at night. You wouldn't be able to tell because it's so bright. But yeah, it's 9:30.
Yeah.
We finished the drive. It was beautiful. Totally worth it. Totally worth it.
Yeah, we got some amazing footage.
Yeah. It was really pretty.
GPS tried to lie to us twice and get us lost. So
Yeah. But that's okay. We made it. Went to the canyon. It was really nice. And then came home. This is our home now.
we had our home with us. So
And yeah, tomorrow we have another 2-hour drive in the morning. We have to do a lot of driving to get around the entirety of Iceland. So yeah, he's driving 2 hours, which thank you. And then we have like, oh good Lord, 6 things to do.
6.
I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4,
4?
5. 5.
5. Oh boy.
Yeah.
It's going to be a busy day tomorrow.
Yeah, it'll be fun.
But then after tomorrow, we'll be in Akureyri for 2 days.
Yeah, we'll finally be in the same town for 2 days and can rest and go into lagoons to warm our bones. Can't wait.
Yeah, sleeping in the van at night is kind of a little chilly. So
It's been a challenge, but we're here. We're thriving.
yeah, hot springs are well deserved.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I think that's it.
that's it for today. See y'all tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you so much for watching part 3 of our Iceland series, and be on the lookout for part 4 coming soon. If you enjoyed our series so far, be sure to like and subscribe to be notified when we upload our next video.